In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get started with affiliate marketing. As you can see on the screen, this is an affiliate dashboard from this training, the 72-hour challenge on Freedom Accelerator, and I'm making commissions promoting this program. And some important things you need to know if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing is that you need to put in the work. So affiliate marketing, the business model is simple. You just need to send traffic to your affiliate links. But in order to do that, you need to set up well a 24/7 sales system. You need to build a traffic machine, and you need to create content every day so you can start to collecting leads. And some of those leads will become customers and will buy from you. But you need to know that it takes time. For example, this is my affiliate link, and if someone buy the training from this link, I can make a commission. So there's another place that you can check if you want to test the waters. For example, Digistore 24. You can promote many categories, many products here. For example, animals and pets, computer and internet, education, email marketing. And for example, you can select one of these categories. So I'm going to click on software. And here we can promote this one, expert slides. They pay $9.93. We have another software here, Funnel Forms Pro. They pay $6.70. And the way to promote this training is to click on this button, promote now. Now, I'm going to show you the training that I have been promoting and making commissions. If you go to business and investment and then go to the second page, the name is Freedom Accelerator, and this is a high ticket product. That means that if someone buys through your affiliate link, if you promote this product, you can make $500 or more in commission. So they pay 50% commission if you promote this training from this link, from the Digistore link. I'm going to click on affiliate support page because here we have a lot of information that you need to know before promoting a training. For example, when you promote a product, it's important to have resources like, check this out. So these are email swipes. So we can use these emails to promote the training. We have graphic swipes, also video ads if we want to run Google ads to our sales funnel. And also this product pays 35% commission if we promote from this page. So let me show you how you can get access to that page. So you need to click here, sign up to promote the 72-hour challenge. So if you click here, you can sign up to promote this training. Or you can promote this training from the Digistore 24. So the difference is that if you promote this training from Digistore 24, you can earn 50% commissions. But if you do it through the affiliate portal, you will make less commission, but they have a sales team or business advisor to help people walk people through the entire challenge. So that is the difference. So here they pay less commission, but you have a sales system, and here you can make more commissions, but here you need to close the sales by your own. So that is the difference between promoting the different affiliate links. Now, the way to promote this training is I use this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And basically I'm promoting this challenge, and I'm going to show you. So this is a challenge that any person can take if they want to start an affiliate business. So this challenge has 3 lessons, although only it shows 2, because to get access to the 3rd day, you need to book a call with a business advisor. And then they will unlock the day number 3, which is the free traffic. So day number 1 is basically what is affiliate marketing, success stories. Day number 2 is how to build an automated sales system. So basically this is a sales funnel with the opt-in pages and the emails. You can use ClickFunnels to build that system, or you can use the free version, which is system.io. And one of the cool things about promoting this training is that it has good information, and the price is $9. So basically anyone can take this to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch using the strategies inside of this training. So the way to promote this program is through a sales funnel. And so basically what I did is that I downloaded this done for you system. So I'm going to show you. So inside of Freedom Accelerator, they have the phase 1, building an automated sales system. And then I click here in the done for you funnels, and I downloaded the 7 steps ebook bridge pay funnel. And I uploaded that funnel on this software. The name is ClickFunnels. And this funnel has 3 steps. And I'm going to show you the first page is the opt-in page. So we use this opt-in page to collect a name and an email. And that information is important because that is going to help you build your own email list and to build an affiliate business for the long term. So building an email list is critical because the more emails I collect, the more money I make. So I'm going to show you that they have more funnels. For example, they have this bridge pay funnel number 1, bridge pay funnel number 3, and also I downloaded this ebook. So and I give this ebook as a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email. So this is the ebook. And when people visit this page and they click here, free ebook download, I can collect a name and an email. And if people want, they can put their phone number. It has the picture of the ebook, which is the lead magnet, information, and my photo, because I want people to know that I'm promoting this training. Then when people put their information, they will get access to the second page, in which I tell them that I'm going to send the ebook through email. And then they will have access to the third page, which is the bridge page. So this page is important because here I have a video in which I explain the product, which is the challenge, and all the things and all the resources that the people are going to get if they get access to the training. And also I have here this button. And when people click this button, they will go to this link, which is my affiliate offer. And then the next process is that this software, ClickFunnels, is going to send that email to another software, GetResponse. And as you can see on the screen, this is the number of emails that I have collected. And so this software is important as well because here I have an email sequence. And I'm going to show you this one. This is for the this is a Freedom Accelerator workflow. So when someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Accelerator, GetResponse is going to send these two emails. And then it's going to wait for 1 day, and then it's going to send the email number 2. It's going to wait for another day, and it's going to send the email number 3. And the first emails are a free training that I recorded to help people if they want to get started with affiliate marketing, even if they don't buy the 72-hour challenge, they will get value from this information. And then I start promoting my YouTube channel. So this is a YouTube video, this is also a YouTube video, and here I start promoting software. This is TubeBuddy, and I use this software to do keyword research for my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show it that software later. And here I start to promote the 72-hour challenge. And basically, what we need to do with this email sequence is that we need to add as more emails as we can with valuable information and also promoting the softwares or the training or the products to help people to go from point A, which is a point in their life that they want to improve, to a point B, which is their goals, or is when they can achieve their goals. Now, you need to build this system only once, and then you need to start sending traffic to it. And the way to do that is with YouTube. For example, I'm promoting this affiliate marketing training, so I can do a keyword research, for example, for this keyword, affiliate marketing, and start creating content about this subject. And I'm going to show you. So you can see here that I have all of this information. So this is another software, keywords everywhere, but I'm going to show you this one. This is TubeBuddy. So if I click here, TubeBuddy is going to tell me if this keyword is good for my YouTube channel. For example, if I use this keyword as a title, TubeBuddy tells me that it's poor. That's why it's important to use a long tail keyword, for example, affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. And we can add more keywords. So in this case, it's sports. So I'm going to use how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So let's check this one. How to start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. It's for, so let's change this. Let's change how to start affiliate marketing in 2023. So, and this is critical because, so that means that if I create a video talking about affiliate marketing and I use this keyword, I'm not going to rank. So basically, I used TubeBuddy to try different keywords, and when I got, for example, a good score, I know that I'm going to have a high probability to rank on YouTube. For example, I'm going to show you this one. So this is the title that I'm trying to rank: how to get started how to get started with affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. So let's try this one. So as you can see in the screen, this keyword is excellent for my YouTube channel. That means if I record a video about this subject and I use this keyword as a title, I'm going to have a high probability to rank on the first spots on YouTube. And also, you need to know that when you start a YouTube channel, you need to be consistent, because the more videos you have, the more authority you will have. That's why YouTube is a long-term business like affiliate marketing, because it takes time to get the ball rolling. But once you have the right frameworks, how to create content and how to set up well your 24/7 sales system, the products that you are going to promote, the the softwares and the trainings, then you just need to focus on creating good content to drive more traffic to your sales funnel or your 24/7 sales system. So that's it for this video, guys. If you want to get access to this training, the 72-hour challenge, the price is $9, in which you can learn how to set up well the 24/7 sales system, how to drive traffic using short form videos, and also you will learn the freedom roadmap. You can click the first link in the description. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.